Hi, I'm Tati and it's time for another reading vlog. So I am very excited for this video. I'm going to be opening up my first ever Once Upon a Book Club box. And if you don't know, Once Upon a Book Club is a book subscription box. They have young adult options, middle grade options, and adult options as well. And the special thing about Once Upon a Book Club is that each box has a new book. And as you read the book, you find notes that tell you which gift to open. So technically this is both an unboxing and a reading vlog. Because you open the gifts as you're reading the book, I thought it would make for a really fun reading vlog. And so this first box is the Mythical Sea Curse box. Now this is one of Once Upon a Book Club's past boxes. And I decided to go with a past box because I like knowing what book I'm getting. So let's take a look inside this box. Pretty box. The book club kit. But I want to show you the book because I already know what the book is because it's a past box. But it is The Girl Who Fell Beneath the Sea by Axio. And I'm so excited because I have already read this book and I really loved it. So I'm excited to reread it as part of this box experience. So here we have a hardcover edition of the book. And you can see the little sticker on it for Once Upon a Book Club. And this one was from 2022. So this is the book club kit. So it has a conversation with the author, Axio. It has discussion questions for an actual book club, and then it has a game from the book. And then we have a card which has a note from the author specifically for Once Upon a Book Club. And a bookmark, the author's signature. And so these are the rest of our gifts. We have one for page, so heavy, one for page 147, one for page 247, and one for page 172. And so we'll be opening these up as we read the book. Like, such a cool concept for a book box and so much fun. And so I'm very excited to get rereading this and to open these up. And so I'm going to start reading and I will be back when it's time to open up our first gift. Okay, so I am currently rereading The Girl Who Fell Beneath the Sea, and I was not actually filming because I just started rereading it and I know that the gifts don't come in until later, but I got to page 13, I guess it's page 13, and there's a red ribbon inside. And it just made me like so over dramatically happy because it's like a little piece of the story is like just real right there on the page. But that's what I really love about the concept of these Once Upon a Book Club boxes, is that all of the gifts correspond to parts in the story. So it's specifically about that book experience. So I'm really excited to keep rereading. So I've made it to my first sticky note. So I'm going to read this page and then get the gift out. So it's right at the part where she's talking about betrothal gifts. So is it something like one of her betrothal gifts? Let's find out. Which page is it? 147. Page 147. Which out of these three things is this one? The heavy one. So fun. This box is so fun. Alright, so this is what it looks like. So excited. Oh my gosh. Is that like a cup? A cup that came in a case? Is it a... It's like a... It looks like a little pot. Oh my gosh. It's so nice. Wow. It's like a... I don't know if it's... I think it's a little tea set, maybe. Oh my gosh, it comes in so many different pieces. Wow. Oh, it's definitely for tea because you can see the little strainer. So there's 2 teacups. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. 2 little cups. And this one with the strainer in the bottom. And then this one with the spout right here. And then this lid that goes on top of the whole thing. It's so pretty. So I'm guessing that this is a tea set, because that's the first thing on the list of her betrothal gifts is a tea set. I love it so much. It's so nice. That goes in there. I'm scared to do it without the fabric wrapping it. And there you have it, all put together. That is super cool. So I keep reading, which I am rereading. I have read it before. I already have a reading vlog about this book. I'll leave it linked somewhere. When I get to the next gift, I'll be back. Come to page 172. So the part that the sticky note is on is talking about a screen with panels that have the life stages of a crane. So it's gonna be something crane related, I assume. So let's find out. So our next one for page 172. The container of this one is so pretty. Oh my goodness, look at this. It's so exciting and I love a theme. I love a theme. It's just the thing about me. So the fact that everything is themed to the story is what really gets me. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It's so pretty. Wow, that's so nice. It's so, like just like straight out of the book. Alright, so that was the second, maybe you could call it third surprise, second gift. And so we only have one left. And so I'm going to keep reading and I'll be back when we get there. So, this part, chapter 28, these last few pages of chapter 28 are so good. This is, in this chapter, page 247 is where we have our next gift. So, is it going to be a pebble? It's right at the part with the pebble. I don't know what it's gonna be. Let's see. Our last one, page 247. This part of the book, I love it. It's so sweet and sad at the same time. And I can love it more rereading it and knowing how things are gonna go later. So here we go. It's a little coin purse. Let's see, there's definitely something inside. Oh my gosh. It's not a pebble, but it is a lotus flower. It's a little lotus flower candle. So I think that's it. That's the last gift in this box, I believe. So I'll be back once I finish this to wrap it all up. I love this book so much. Okay, so I have finished my reread of The Girl Who Fell Beneath the Sea. I love it just as much as the first time I read it. It is so good. And that ending is so perfect. This has been such a fun experience to be able to have the box with the gifts to open as I was reading the book. So I had so much fun with this, as you hopefully saw throughout this vlog. And so that is the end of this one. I am planning to do more Once Upon a Book Club box unboxings and reading vlogs. And these will probably be books that I actually haven't read before. So you'll have more of my thoughts as I'm reading the book in those vlogs. But let me know in the comments if you read this book, what you thought of it, or what you thought of the Once Upon a Book Club box. And if you liked this video, please give it a like and subscribe to see more. Thanks for watching. Bye. And so this is a bookmark tin. that I got actually from Owl Crate, and I did film the unboxing of this plus an Owl Crate box, and I will leave that link somewhere so you can check it out. But I just want to show it off since this video is about this book, because it is so pretty. I love it so much, and I'm going to put the bookmark that came with this book right into the tin. Oh my gosh, so satisfying. Now we're actually filming about the book. That is so fun. It's so fun, and it's so. I was completely shocked to find it. I didn't know it was going to be there. I mean, I say definitely. I don't know for sure. Betrothal. I've never had to say that word out loud before. Betrothal. Betrothal. So I think this is it. This is the last gift for this box. What else to say to wrap this up?